Hi, this is Terence Kumar. I'm your Engagement Network Officer for the Healthcare Business Network. I have great pleasure in sharing with you a conversation that I had with Anne Bilyeu, your Learning Officer for the Healthcare Business Network, on the Harvard Medical School program, which is an amazing program in which we will get into more detail in a few minutes. Hi, this is Terence, and I'm with Anne Bilyeu, our Learning Officer. And from the Exco, we'd love to bring you some great discussions and insights on the upcoming first ever YPO program at the Harvard Medical School. Thanks for joining us, Anne.
Oh, my pleasure, Terence. I am so excited about this event. So as Terence mentioned, I'm Anne Bilyeu, the head of the learning chair for the Healthcare Industry Network. And we have a great learning calendar planned for the 2019-2020 academic year, YPO academic year. And we're kicking off with our first ever event at Harvard Medical School. I think most folks know we have a very strong relationship with the business school at Harvard. This is the first time we've been able to crack into Harvard Medical School. They don't do these events very often. This is a completely bespoke event for our members. It's September 19th through 21st, which is a wonderful time to be in Boston. It's always beautiful that time of year. But during the course of these 3 days, we're going to have access to world-class professors and academicians and researchers that most people would never have the opportunity to meet. People like Wendy Garrett, who's a professor in the School of Public Health, where she focuses on the GI immune system and the gut microbiota and health, inflammatory bowel disease, et cetera. So very focused on microbiome and its linked to various disease states. We're going to spend time with John Brownstein, who's the Chief Innovation Officer at Boston Children's, which is the top children's hospital in the world. He's also serves as the healthcare advisor to Uber. He's the co-founder of many companies that have spun out of Boston Children's Hospital. They're very innovative and very venture-oriented at Boston Children's. We're going to spend time with him about what's working in terms of digital health. And then we're also going to spend time at Jeff Karp's lab. He's a professor of medicine at Brigham, and he's also head of the Harvard Stem Cell Institute. So he studies basically the interplay between healthcare and business and how to develop platform technology that then has market applicability and can turn into, real commercial entities. Yeah. So, these are amazing people. We'll be at the medical school for 3 days in their facilities, which are stunning. So it's really an all-encompassing event. We're going to look at, innovative, cutting-edge science and how that's likely to drive commercial innovation in the next 10 to 20 years. We're going to look at things that are, very cutting edge. And then we're going to look at digital technologies that are closer to market, and we'll likely, we'll start to see the impact of those in the 3 to 5 year period. It's going to be a very intimate event. We're going to have, it's capped at 50, so it'll be small, and we'll have the opportunity to interact directly with these resources throughout the course of the event.
I'm quite excited. I was out at the medical school in February this year, and the kind of stuff they're doing is just mind-boggling. As you mentioned, Harvard has had a relationship via the business school with YPOs, and whenever you mention Harvard, guys are like, I'm also going in the program. This is customized. This is strategic, cutting-edge thinking in the healthcare and the business of healthcare space. So I'm super excited. If you want to recap again quickly those dates again, and so those who haven't signed up can sign up, so we make sure we're not having any members on the wait list.
Yeah, terrific. It's September 19th through 21st, and the sign up is still active on YPO Connect. So absolutely, we'd love to see everybody there. It's going to be a tremendous, tremendous event. And as Terence mentioned, this is completely bespoke. I mean, we put together the agenda working closely with the medical school staff. And they're as excited to have us as we are to be there.
Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for making the time, Anne. And from the Exco, we look forward to having our members join us and participating in this absolutely exciting program as the first time in YPO.